everyone, and welcome back to my channel at Christy's Food Channel. And today I'm very excited to share with you my Mars soft, beautiful, and healthy matcha green tea cake. So let's get started. For our ingredients, we have 3 cups of all-purpose flour that I already sifted, and 3 tablespoons of matcha green tea powder that I already sifted also with the all-purpose flour. And then we have 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. For our wet ingredients, we have 1 cup of butter. It should be room temperature, and 1 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 6 layers of eggs, and then 1½ cup of sour cream. We will mix our dry and wet ingredients. So don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit and bake your cake to 30 to 35 minutes. So while we are waiting for our cake, we are going to make our frosting. So for our frosting, we need 2 cups of butter, 250 grams of cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 3 tablespoons of matcha green tea powder, a pinch of salt, and vanilla extract. Chocolate ganache,